Hi guys, the first CS2 major came to the end, and it was one of the best majors ever. So today we'll summarize it and also see what was happening on CS market before, during and after finals. So let's hop on to the video. So let's go through the playoffs, which seems to ruin many pick'ems. The first game, Vitality vs Cloud9, was won by Vitality after a sided match on Anubis, and most players type Vitality here, so it is not a surprise. But the second one, FaZe vs Spirit, destroyed Diamond Coin, as FaZe after 3 games, where 2 were very close, managed to win, and here most pickers got burned, as 90% of people typed Spirit to win the whole thing. The third one wasn't much surprise, it was game like the first one, where some typed Eternal but 70% typed Navi, and they were right. And the fourth game, G2 vs Mouse, was a huge surprise, as G2 won 2-0, beating Mouse, which was the second most often typed team to win the major, after Spirit. So already before the semifinals, 99% of pick'ems got wrecked, and going further we had more surprises, because the game between G2 and Navi was close, but Navi made it, even if G2 was in favor. The game between FaZe Clan and Vitality was also very close, but FaZe stomped enemies on the third map. And finally, Grand Final, Natus Vincent against FaZe Clan, the rematch from Antwerp 2022, and shit was quite even, but Navi won it 13-9. At Mirage, FaZe crushed the LXCB team, beating them 32. But at the cider map, Inferno, everything switched and Natus Vincent stomped FaZe, allowing them to only win 3 rounds. And that was quite a surprise, because Navi, since changing its roster from Ukrainian and Russian players only to international, not many people believe in that, but it found out that they can make it, and because it was a massive surprise and they were underdog, many people started to cheer for them. And when they finally won, the stickers just blew up, and not only team stickers, but also player signatures, and especially GL, which became MVP of this match. This one is quite different from the previous Vitality case at Paris Major, because in May people started to pump stickers 3 days before the final, knowing that most likely Vitality was going to win. And when it finally happened, stickers just crashed. After all, people were aware that Vitality would most likely win, and it wasn't a surprise, which in case of Copenhagen Major was, because not many people bought Natus Vincent stickers before, not even giving them a chance for winning. So because of this surprise, stickers gone crazy. And just for the record, do not invest in Natus Vincent stickers, now or within the next few days, cause when you watch this video, they are most likely already down, and will be even lower, especially Copenhagen ones, as they aren't even at sale yet. Okay, but what is going on with past majors? For Paris capsules we do not see major price changes, they are just stable, in opposite to stickers, which are consistently going down. And as we know, capsule prices are the median of all stickers inside, so why the hell stickers are losing value and capsules are stable? That means that one asset is overvalued, or one is undervalued, so we expect either an even harder capsule price drop, or a little sticker price rebound. Antwerp's situation isn't much better, but we do not only see a downtrend, because some stickers and capsules once a time grow a little, to then stable or continue going down, and it happens as some investors are buying Antwerp, seeing a nice discount, as some prices are the lowest since the time before CS2 announcement, but that whole event is also losing value, which is a consequence of overinvesting, and most importantly, because of Valve laziness, making exact same stickers for the 5th time. And from Antwerp I would consider buying some stickers, like even Imperial, which dropped massively, as it has a new Copenhagen stickers, but just compare them. This is a different level of design, or even take a look at stickers like Outsiders, 9Z or Copenhagen Flames, which are unique and aren't seen in the newest majors. As for Cyclone capsules, we see the upper trend for challenges and contenders capsules, as they own the most valuable and unique stickers from these all borderless major stickers, which is not the case for Legends, whose price isn't stable and is not predictable, cause Legends capsule doesn't have expensive and unique stickers, besides Evil Genesis and Gambit, which aren't the most popular ones, and stickers do not move at all prices are stable, but we see at indexes that there is still a downtrend, which soon most likely will slow down and stabilize at some point. And this applies to all majors, I mean major stickers since CS2 hype are going down, and are at the lowest point since the beginning of 2023. I'm sure that picking right now some unique stuff is quite a good option, because stickers like Entropic or 9Z cannot be replaced by either Copenhagen or Paris stickers. But what I'm doing is just waiting, because the biggest role will play the supply of Copenhagen stickers and its future demand, as the stickers do not seem to be most liked ones, and we'll see if this major will also have that big sale, which will make Copenhagen overinvested. Also do not forget about the rising player base and new crafting system, which increase demand for stickers, and in long term these stickers will rise anyway, because everything in this world which have limited supply is rising, as inflation makes digital currencies weaker, and also in the second half of 2023 we'll most likely see HQatreus, which will boost economy and make people to invest even more. On the other hand, cases are doing great, I mean, for comparison, in January we had 21 million openings, in February 31 million, and in March 38 million opened cases. So as you can see, numbers are going in fast pace. And it is caused by rise of player numbers in March, which was 100,000 more players in March than in February. And yes, you have to remember that month ago we got new update, which brought main people to the game, then Katowice and Major, which all added to growing player base. And to be clear, most likely now player base and case unboxings will calm down, till Valve will give us new content, which would again bring back players. But still, we aren't going to lose that many players to drop below 30 million openings, and this already boosted case prices. Changes aren't significant, but cases are more expensive, and they will be only growing. Because Copenhagen stickers made many people to move their capital from sticker investments to case investments, as they are more stable and more predictable, because they do not depend on how next case will look like. In opposite to stickers, where design of new ones is most important. Cases always act the same, when player base is rising, prices also do. So I guess now is quite good time to pick up some cases, as also we have to remember that case drop system got a few changes in recent years, and now bot farms aren't that popular, and also free accounts cannot drop cases anymore, and even prime players can only earn up to 1 case per week, which in past wasn't a thing, and that was why cases were for 3 cents for a long time. But now supplies are so limited that we are slowly running out of cases, and the only thing that can negatively affect cases is new operation, so if you believe that one is coming soon, wait with buying. And what about play skins? There is nothing really to say much. Most of play skins are either stable or gone up a little, which is natural with more players. But if you want to make more money than 10% a year, you shouldn't be looking at play skins as an investment, because they have in common that they rise slowly, but there isn't much risk around them, and they move up when CS is doing great, and go down when CS is losing interest. So if you really want skins just to play with them, go for it. But do not expect that they are going to rise like a year ago, because it is just unreal. Agents, as I said in previous market reviews, after correction are continued gains, because there is nothing that can really stop them right now, besides of course new operation, which probably won't hit soon, as you haven't got even a major sale yet. And if you already got some agent skins, I recommend you keeping them, but if you are new to agent market, do not buy right now, because potential money that you can make at this point is not worth the risk, as market in my opinion is just too hot right now, and there are better subjects with higher growth potential, like related to them patches, and I'm talking about major patches, because they are a little bit forgotten. But last year we saw massive increases on them, and why I think they are going to rise is that CS2 actually doesn't have all features available right now, and there are rumors that we are going to see customization of agents, which will definitely affect agent prices, but also related to them patches, which now aren't that popular. But to remember, we only got team patches at one major, and Valve retired from that idea, because they didn't sell well, what means they have low supply. And I'm going to say, if we will see customization of agents, patches will most likely gain a lot, because imagine if they would do the same as with stickers. I mean, you could place patch wherever you want. And at the end I want to invite you to our Discord server, where there is still ongoing giveaway, and will be resolved within 2 days. So it is a last chance to join, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.